Hello everyone. This is a D Pharmacy Pharmaceutics 1 class, subject code 1.1T, Unit 5. In this class, we are going to discuss the immunological products for active immunization. Actually, immunological products for active immunization, it comes under the classification of immunological products. There are different types of immunological products. Immunological products for active immunization, immunological products for passive immunization, and immunological products as diagnostic agents. So basically we are going to discuss over here the immunological products for active immunization. Among these, different vaccines will come under this. So first of all, we'll start with BCG vaccines. So BCG vaccines are generally uh, freeze-dried preparations which contains a live culture of the bacillus of the gamet and the guerin strain of Mycobacterium tuberculosis. It is a form of white pellet which uh, again reconstituted, and it after reconstitution it gives an opalescent suspension. Uh, we'll discuss the preparation method. The bacilli are grown on a suitable culture media until 1 mg. When plated out on suitable solid culture media, shows not less than 20 million colonies. The growth period should not be more than 14 days in any case. And after suitable growth of the bacteria, they are separated by filtration, and uh, when the cake is formed, the cake is collected and it is homogenized in a grinding flask and then suspended in a sterile liquid medium. And the medium is designed to preserve the antigenicity and the viability of the vaccine. The suspension is transferred into the final sterile container, and then it is subjected to freeze dryer. Then the containers are sealed so as to prevent any contamination or deterioration of the vaccine. The vaccine contains no antimicrobial agents. The storage of these vaccines generally it should be stored in sealed light resistant glass containers at a temperature between 2 to 8 degrees centigrade. The reconstituted vaccines should be used immediately after its preparations. And the uses, we know that BCG vaccine is used as an immunizing agent which provides the protection against tuberculosis. The dose of these vaccines, generally they are prophylactic vaccines, usually used as 0.1 ml as a single dose by intracutaneous injection. The next vaccine we are going to discuss, that is cholera vaccine. The cholera vaccine is generally a colorless, whitish or slightly colored opalescent liquid, and it is a sterile suspension of the killed cholera vibrios or vibrio cholerae bacteria. The preparation method, it is prepared from the equal portions of suspension of the cholera vibrios of vibrio cholerae, Inaba and Ogawa strains selected for their high antigenic efficacy. Can either a single strain or a several strain of each type can be used. The each strain of cholera vibrios is grown separately on a solid medium for about 24 to 48 hours, and then they were washed and heated at 56 degrees centigrade for 1 hour. The heating is done in order to kill the bacteria. Sometimes the killing of bacteria or the bacteria are killed by using alcohol or any other bactericide like phenol or formaldehyde also can be used. All precautions must be taken for ensuring that the antigenic property of the preparation is not destroyed. The preparation is then standardized so that 1 ml of vaccine contains not less than 12,000 million bacteria. After adding a suitable preservative, it is transferred into final container and then the container is sealed. Now these vaccines, prepared vaccines, must pass the test for sterility and also the test for undue toxicity of vaccines. The storage of the vaccine is generally storage temperature is between 2 to 8 degrees centigrade. Uses, we can say that the immunization against cholera, it has a limited use as it has only about 50% of effectiveness for a period of 3 to 6 months, and the vaccine does not prevent transmission of the disease. And dose of these vaccines are, it is used as a prophylactic, and the initial dose is 0.5 ml followed by a second dose of 1 ml after an interval of 4 to 6 weeks. So that's all for this class. In my next class, we'll be discussing pertussis vaccines or vaccines for whooping cough. Thank you.